Welcome to Just a Thought with Dr. Sherry. This weekly radio visit will help you as you draw closer to God and grow in the Word. Here now is Dr. Sherry.
Hello, hello, hello. You caught our program last week, and I know that's why you're back again this week. Romans 12, 1 and 2. I beseech you, therefore, brethren, by the mercies of God, that you present your bodies a living sacrifice, holy, acceptable unto God, which is what? Only your reasonable service. Do not be conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind, that you may prove what is that good and acceptable and perfect will of God. As you saw last week, we met Lou Superman Sandoval. And I believe a phrase that's been coined is just Lou it, and I want to get into this. But first of all, you had health problems. And this is what brought this to your attention, that you needed to do something. You needed to do it now. So can you tell me something? For instance, overeating, being almost a half a ton, cost you not just in food, but also in medical, didn't it?
Yes, it did. Last year, my medical bills were over $250,000, counting,
Wait. Repeat that again.
Last year, my medical bills were over $250,000, counting 2 operations, nothing but stomach bypass for a hernia. I had upper hernia obstruction. And after that operation, I was out of work for 3 months, and that's when I started racing against Biggest Loser.
Okay.
But you're watching them work out. You're competing with somebody that you're not exercising. That's when you know you have to implement a nutritional lifestyle.
Absolutely, because you couldn't do it because of your illness and coming on. I know what it feels like. I've been laid off for 6 weeks with this surgery I had.
Absolutely.
So you couldn't exercise. So you had to do something. So what did you do to help yourself?
Well, the first thing I did was pray and ask if there was a way that God could help me get my strength back so I could come back, because you love your kids, you love your family, you love life, and you just don't want to go out that way. And as you pray, you just think about what you want to do and a plan to come up with to execute it.
Now, you met some people to help you, didn't you? God brought them into your life?
Absolutely. And, slowly you meet those friends and you start meeting people that are going to get you steered on the right track.
Who's the biggest support you had? Since you couldn't exercise, you knew you had to do something quickly in order to turn this around in your body. So who was the greatest influence that you met?
So I actually ran into Van at work. He's a member that shops where I work at, and he had this product that he let me try, and after I started trying it, I started feeling a lot better. It was the greens, the earth greens. I don't know what's in them. They say that there's 5.5 pounds of organic raw vegetables.
Did he do this himself? He come up with it himself? What is it?
No, see, that's where I'd leave that up to the doctors. That's why I brought pros with me today, because I have them to talk the lingo for you. I'm kind of the prodigy that's become of it, the product of it, but it's just getting back to life. I truly believe if you get the right nutrients in your body, you seem to recover. The body is amazing at what it can do if you add faith and nutrition together. And I'm going to leave that to Dr. J.J. Levine.
I went to a meeting on a Tuesday night, and I heard about this product. I wasn't too sure about it until I tried the lollipop myself and saw that it did work and that it was wholesome. And I took my family with me, and I was very impressed. And one of the reasons I was impressed was the gentleman I'm going to introduce right now, who was on with us last month, Dr. Levine. J.J. Levine, and he is the support, he along with Van, for Lou, where Lou is today. Lou has lost how many pounds?
Right now it's 289. I'm fighting to get to that 300 pound. It took 12 months to lose 275.
Wait. 12 months to lose how much?
275.
Okay, now you just opened up something for me. Oh, do you have a thought you want to finish with here?
Well, the thing of it is after that, the last 2 months to get that 25 off, it slowed down. Your body, the scale goes up, down. It doesn't know where to go. But as you build muscle and lose fat and gain flexibility and energy, it all evens out.
I know. My scale's been very confused too.
Yeah. So, the scale becomes your friend. It's your enemy at the beginning. and then you look forward to stepping on it.
yes.
So it can be everybody's friend out there. And I'll tell you, the Dr. Levine is going to fill you in on the chemically based products that are in it.
Now, I'm going to turn this over to Dr. Levine, but I received a phone call into my ministry with a question. Somebody heard us last month, didn't know your name, but doctor, would you ask that doctor this? She heard me state that it took me 9 years to get off, now at 286 pounds something I'm at.
Awesome.
But it took me 9 years. It took Lou a year to lose 275. She's vacillating back and forth, having trouble losing that weight. She wants to know for her health and for her spiritually and everything else. And I know she's probably listening to this program today because she said she was going to listen all month. She wants to know from you, doctor, is it safe enough to do it, lose weight? And if so, does she have to starve herself or should she do it the way I did it?
Excellent question. And the answer is you should never, ever starve yourself. If you were to meet with Lou and see what he has actually done and continues to do, it's the same way that I recommend anybody eat. It's quite the contrary. When we were teenagers and younger, if we wanted to lose weight, I remember this, we would just not eat for a day or two and we'd lose weight. No big deal, right? You can't do that when you get past your 20s and 30s and beyond because your body has been wired. God has put within our DNA to protect us from feast or famine. And if you stop feeding it and start eating only once a day, it detects that there's a famine and the metabolism is going to shut down. What Lou does, in fact, we talk about this all the time. In fact, Mr. DeCaio Van and Lou and I discuss this on the way over here. The proper way to lose weight is grazing, eating every 3 hours. So what Lou does is if you fail to plan, you plan to fail.
That's
Every
right.
week, Lou is putting on Facebook all the groceries that he bought, all the organic veggies, all of our products. He lays it out, and he knows exactly what he's going to have each meal. He eats 6 times a day. So to answer the question of the young lady that asked that, what I would recommend is no, you don't want to starve. You're going to want to start eating 5 to 6 times a day. You're going to want to plan out your meals. You're going to want to make sure those meals are filled with organic veggies and organic fruits. You're going to want to drink a lot of water. And in reality, you're taking the calories, and everybody's different. We could look at it on an individual basis, and you divide that by 6. What we do in the United States specifically that's wrong is we'll go to a fast food restaurant, which I know you spoke about last week, and we don't realize how many calories we're eating. I talk to so many patients that say, I don't know why I'm not losing weight. I don't eat that much. And in their mind, they're saying that because they're only eating once a day. They're not realizing, the gentleman and I were discussing this, let's, for example, say you go to Panda Express and you get 1 plate of food. You don't realize, as Lou would say, how many milligrams of sodium there is in there. It's about 1,000 calories in most cases you're sitting down. And in most people's cases, if you want to lose weight, I'm probably going to give you a regimen of less than 2,000 calories a day. And in some cases...
For women too?
For women too, absolutely. 1,500, 1,700, depending on the person. So if you're sitting down and in one meal eating 1,000 calories and then you're eating 2 other meals, it's no wonder why you're not losing weight.
And a lot of people eat before they go to bed. They eat all that poison and then go to bed on it. And I know this has got to be very destructive.
Lou's philosophy, one of his philosophies, which I think is outstanding, and Lou, correct me if I'm wrong, you stop eating at 4:30 p.m.
That is correct.
I stop
Doctor.
at 6.
It's still fine. That's where other people will, they're done eating, they've had their dinner, they've had their, bigger meals of the day, and, it's 8 o'clock, 8:30, and maybe they're turning on the TV and they're seeing every other commercial as pizza or cake or this or that, and then they'll start binging on that or eating that, and they're saying, I didn't eat that much. I just had a couple of cookies or I had some ice cream, not realizing how many calories that is, how much sugar that is, how many empty calories. And then they go to sleep on it and they wonder why, they're gaining weight. And that's an important word to look at. Empty calories. I believe we spoke about that last month. I mean, if God wants you to eat a certain amount of calories in a day to either maintain your weight or lose your weight, you have to choose your calories with reverence. That's what Lou is doing every week. He's planning his meals out and choosing the calories that go in his body very, very carefully. If he's going to put calories in, he wants them to be nutrient dense, full of all the proper phytonutrients and vitamins.
That's almost impossible to get today in the markets and everything else if you're not very careful. So I know that you have a product line that helps us get more nutrition each day. Can you talk to us about that?
Yes. Obviously, we would love for people to be consuming, 9 to 13 servings of organic fruits and vegetables a day. And Lou will tell you that does cost money. But what's interesting is the investment that Lou has put into his health. That amount of money is far less than the $250,000 he spent last year by an extreme, medical bills.
We don't think about the medical bills that come with it.
Yeah, you can pay me now or pay me later. So what we do is, and this really goes back to the question that you got earlier for me, we have an easy way that we tell people to help them along the way. So, for example, one of Lou's favorite products is Asante Organics Earth Greens. And if you just hear, and bear with me, I'll speak quickly, the ingredients and the only ingredients in this product are, these are all organic barley grass, organic spinach, organic aloe vera, organic kamut grass, organic parsley leaf, organic spearmint leaf, organic broccoli, organic cabbage, organic peppermint leaf, organic celery, and organic dandelion root. There is nothing else in there. Now, the amazing thing is a serving, which is one little scoop, only cost 50 cents. And it's nutritionally equivalent, I heard Lou say this, to 5.5 pounds nutritionally of organic vegetables.
So even if this product might cost you a little more, we're losing time here, but even if it would cost us a little more in the long run, it is a little more reasonable than going out there and trying to get all these vegetables and figure it out for yourself, because this is pre-measured. Doctor, would you please tell us if they're interested in this and this woman wants to contact you, how would she do that?
The best way to do this is she can go to www.Esante, which is spelled E as in excellent, double S, A as in apple, N as in now, T as in terrific, E, organics, that's ORGANICS.com/quarter ton to fit, and the 2 is TO, quarter ton to fit. That's Lou's website. She can see all of the ingredients, all of the products, all of the science, and in reality, just to clarify this, it's only 50 cents a serving. This product and many of our products are designed to save you money.
Okay, this is wonderful this month. And go to his website and contact him. Contact me, Dr. Sherry. I've said it before. You know how to get a hold of me. Any questions that you have or any concerns, and I can put you also in contact with Lou and Dr. Levine.
You've been listening to Just a Thought with Dr. Sherry. Dr. Sharon Thomas would like to hear from you. This radio ministry is here to help you weekly as you draw closer to God, to grow in His Word, and to learn to depend on Him and trust His grace. To contact Dr. Sherry, write to her at Dr. Sharon Thomas, 270 East Hunt Highway, Suite 16-304, Queen Creek, Arizona, 85243. That's Dr. Sharon Thomas, 270 East Hunt Highway, Suite 16-304, Queen Creek, Arizona, 85243. Join Dr. Sherry each Sunday at 1:30 p.m. Tell your friends about this program and join us next week at the same time.